Thanks for watching. This video is about importing a DST file into the IDS program. A DST file is a machine-ready file that can be stitched out regardless if you bring it into embroidery software. We can bring it directly into the machine, but this is how we bring it into the software should we want to edit the design, add lettering, change colors, so on and so forth. Many times we will get designs from a stock design CD or stock design collection, and the stock design collection that I'm going to use is on a CD. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that into my computer, and when I pop that into my computer is going to automatically pop up a window that will ask me what I want to do with the software or with what's on the CD. When that window pops up, in this design CD, I'm going to first look for the catalog or the table of contents. And when I click on the CD drive, I want to open the files and the file folders. So I'll go ahead and click on Open Folder to view files. If you don't do it that way, you can always go to the Start menu and open up Computer, and then open up the CD package. With this one, I'm going to double click to open the full catalog of images. And here it gives me the table of contents. This is going to tell me what categories are on what pages of this catalog. So I'm going to go ahead and open this cover and table of contents. This is opening in my Microsoft Works program. If you have Microsoft Word, it might open in that, as this is a DOC file format. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And when it opens up, it gives me a table of contents of what pages are associated with what categories. So you can see here that aircraft is associated on page 1. Animals and birds are associated on page 2. Cats on page 10. So as we scroll through here, I'm looking for a design that maybe has to do with gymnastics. So within gymnastics, that's in my sports category, and the subcategory is called gymnastics. So I'm going to look at page 261. Let's go ahead and go back to my folder. We're going to scroll down and find page 261. So scroll through here. And as I find that page, we're going to double click on that, and now I can see there's my gymnastics. I can see each design has a file name associated with it. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here. And I would like G002. So that's the one that I'd like to import. And it's under Sports, Gymnastics. So we'll go to IDS, we'll go to the import function. I'm just going to use import 1. When I left click on import 1, my import dialog box will come up. I am importing DST files. I will want to use the CD drive at the top. I choose the D drive, which on my computer, that is what my CD drive is labeled. The next box down will show me what the drive location is, as well as what file folders open. I have the Borders and Braids file folder open. I want to go back just to the D drive, so I double click on the D drive. We're going to scroll down and we're going to find Sports. We'll double click on Sports, and then I'm going to find that subcategory of Gymnastics. Let's go ahead and double click on Gymnastics. I wanted G002, so I left click on that, as the third box down is going to show me what files are in that folder. Once I select it, I'll hit import. Once I click import, it'll bring that design into my screen. So now I have that design inside the IDS program. So just to review how we would find a design that we would like to import and bring it into the software. We'll go to the table of contents. I am just going to go ahead and look at the floral category, and that's on page 102. So I am going to open up page 102, scroll up. I'll double click to open up page 102. And actually floral has quite a few designs. Let me maybe go to the next page, page 103, 104, and you can see that my actual categories change. It went from floral 1 to floral 2. I have floral 3. And let's say in floral 3 I'd like to bring in file G017. So let's go back to IDS. I'm going to go ahead and go to a new design. We'll import. I'll left click on the import button. And we'll double click. It's already on the D drive as specified, but I need to get to the floral category. So I'll double click on D. We'll scroll down and we're going to be on floral 3. And let me look at that page again. I already forget what number it is. It's G017. So I'm going to scroll down and find G017. There it is. I left click on it to select it and then select import. When I select import, that selects that design and brings it right into the program.